In 1928, a scientist named Alexander Fleming was working in his lab in London. He was trying to find a way to kill bacteria that caused infections. Fleming had been studying bacteria for years, and he was always looking for new ways to fight germs. He worked hard but didn't have much success until one day, something surprising happened. Fleming had gone on a vacation, leaving his petri dishes, which contained bacteria, in the lab. When he came back, he noticed something strange. One of his dishes had mold growing on it, but what caught his attention was that around the mold, the bacteria were disappearing. The mold seemed to be killing the bacteria, and Fleming was curious. He looked at the mold under a microscope and found that it was a type of fungus called penicillium. Fleming realized that this mold was releasing something that stopped the bacteria from growing. He called this substance penicillin. It wasn't the mold itself that was important, but the chemical it produced. Fleming knew this was a big discovery, but he didn't yet know how big. At first, no one really noticed Fleming's work. He published his findings, but making penicillin in large amounts was difficult. It wasn't until the 1940s, during World War II, that other scientists took his discovery and figured out how to produce penicillin in large quantities. This made a huge difference because during the war, many soldiers were getting infections from their wounds. Penicillin was able to save countless lives by treating those infections. Penicillin became the world's first antibiotic, a medicine that could kill bacteria inside the human body without harming the person. It quickly became known as a miracle drug. Before penicillin, people could die from even simple infections, but after its discovery, many lives were saved. Today, penicillin and other antibiotics are used to treat a wide range of infections. Fleming's discovery changed the world of medicine forever. Even though it was a happy accident, his careful observations and hard work led to one of the most important breakthroughs in medical history. His discovery of penicillin marked the beginning of the antibiotic age, making it possible to fight diseases that had once been deadly.